allow me the opportunity to present you the 2021 edition of the Certified Management Accountant CMA Part 2 Preparation Pack. CMA Part 2 is known as the Strategic Financial Management. This preparation pack will prepare you for the CMA exams conducted by the Institute of the Management Accountants IMA US. CMA Part 2 course is divided into the 6 main sections. Section A is known as the Financial Statement Analysis and it has the weightage of 20%. Section B is known as the Corporate Finance and it has the weightage of 20%. Section C is known as the Decision Analysis and it has the weightage of 25%. Section D is known as the Risk Management and it has the weightage of 10%. Section E, the Investment Decisions, has got the weightage of 10% in exam. And Section F, the Professional Ethics, it has the weightage of 15%. Two strategies help pass the CMA exam. That is, maximize your strengths and minimize your weaknesses. That's why this CMA preparation material contains an explanation to the concepts and the principles required from a management accountant. A dedicated section on the Certified Management Accountant basic information is added in the book, which explains the proven strategies to clear the CMA exam in the first attempt. Majority of the CMA candidates are working executives. This CMA exam preparation book is designed for the candidates' independent learning so that they can focus more on their career, leisure activities, and the family time. CMA certification can easily be achieved within a year if you can give at least 3 hours on the weekdays and at least the 6 hours on the weekends. Do read the comments and rating of my past candidates from the Facebook. CMA Part 2 Strategic Financial Management lecture videos are available from the YouTube, which will give you the confidence to retain the topics in heart. You will get the integrated printable PDF book along with its PowerPoint presentation on the subscription. This CMA exam prep is ideal for all the persons working in the financial and the management reporting positions. It is also equally good for those candidates who wish to learn the concepts and the principles of the financial management. Aspiring chartered accountants and the associate certified chartered accountants can also benefit from this CMA review course. Let's work together towards the common goal of earning a certified management accountant credential. My support and guidance will be with you till you pass the exams. You can WhatsApp me on 923112224261 or email at thehelp@mzen.org or thehelp@zenacademy.us. Seek certification to change your world, well-being, and most important, yourself.